Oh yeah.
You say it's outside?
It's not here yet.
Oh, not here yet. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's not here yet. But I only have one coming.
What year is it?
Sorry?
What year is it?
It's a 2022.
You got price it yet? What will be the price?
That one there, you're basically around 42,000 for that one. It's the copper one touring it, but in the 1.5 liter.
That's a good price.
Yeah, in white.
Okay.
That's useful.
New.
You still want to look at any, like the BMW or anything?
I guess we go just look at it.
Those are on. Okay. And we can just look at them. Okay. Thank you.
This is all I didn't put in that road. Sports. All the sites that I've been on, like the Mercedes and Lexus sites and stuff like that. Like they say, certain cars that you clip on, you don't have there's some type of chip.
Yeah, yeah, it's a chip.
Chip shortage.
Thing is, even at my work, like we have the game tags, and then it's go with a chip. The RDI F some chip. They've been texting me to trade my car, and I'm like,
Who?
I got my car from.
Why do you want to trade it in?
They need cars. Oh, okay, look at the Mercedes on the side of the road. Like this. So people trade these in to get Hondas, eh?
Must be.
Lock it. Click, click.
But you see what I'm saying for the price of them Jeeps?
Mm-hmm.
That you might as well a couple more thousand get a Lexus?
Brand new guy.
For real? This is the same price? I like it. But then what I noticed with these cars too though, when you see there's be the standard price and then there's the add-on for this and navigation and this and all type of other features.
So Quentin is looking at Lexus because he wants one. Oh wow.
Wow.
It smells good inside.
Oh, it does. Let me
Huh?
smell it.
Get this one.
Smells like a smokeless car. You know, like if people used to smoke in the car, and then they try like do it off.
Freshen it up.
Mm-hmm.
But it's stay in the leather and stuff.
Yeah.
Remember when Centrus was hot back home?
Oh. Now y'all can't say nothing.
Century.
Yes.
Steel level. Remember?
So guys, we're at House of Cars.
Century came a long way. You see your style inside too?
But they still need to update some of their stuff.
Yeah.
guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm just here out in Edmonton. Yeah, this is like my second or third time in Edmonton, but I like the vibe of it. I'll probably do a few clips just to show you guys the vibe or the scenery of it, but I don't think I've been this far into Edmonton. So I'm just having some lunch right now, my first meal of the day basically. Just a quick update, I started like a new diet lifestyle change. Hopefully I'll continue it for the rest of my life. I also started the gym like a month ago, and I know it's been a while, I haven't vlogged, but thank you so much for rocking with me still. If you're still subscribed, shout out to you. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. What my channel is all about is just lifestyle vlogging, every day in my life. It could be a gamut of things. I'm still trying to find or lock in my niche, but right now I'm just having lunch in a McDonald's in Edmonton, and I didn't know that they have like table service. I just thought they had like dine-in service or takeout. But table service, they actually like, you can set it up on the kiosk and they bring it to the table number, and that's what we did. So did you know this? Let me know in the comment section below if you knew McDonald's does this. But I'm about to eat my food right now. I'm super hungry before it gets cold, and yeah, just stick around.
Remember to download the app too when I get home.
Yes, Mom.
We be menaging and boost up his ego. She a little demon on that Casamigo.
I hope no one is hurt.
I hope not either.
That looks serious, man.
Wow.
You have to wash the tape around there.
And it's a small vehicle.
Jesus. They might, people is just, a tire might blow.